Hello, this is Max from Kidz Rock University. If you're looking for our best deal on children's Bible curriculum, you have just found it. We now offer 2 years of annual Bible curriculum. Both years contain 50 weekly lessons, along with 2 specialty lessons for your Christmas and Easter services. They are packed with Bible stories told in first person to capture the attention of your students and cause them to feel as if they were really there, observing all the drama for themselves. Some of the storytellers for year 2 are Deborah the prophetess, Samson, Jeremiah, King Solomon, and the Apostle Paul. Each lesson also contains a memory verse, review questions to reinforce what was to be learned that day, and plenty of fun activities for your students. This product can be downloaded immediately upon purchase and will provide you with an entire year of quality children's Bible curriculum to share in your classrooms. Why not pick it up today?